Are chat messages not working properly on the Temu app? If you can send messages aren't appearing, or chat notifications aren't working correctly, it can make it difficult to communicate through the app. In this video, I will show you how to fix chat messages on Temu app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Temu. Then here in this page, you will go to the sign of profile. In this page, you will move to settings. After that, here in this window, what you will find is notifications. And here in this page of notifications, you will find chat messages. So you will tap here to enable it and to fix this problem. So this is how it works. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.